Sa stress mode tayo, anong gagawin natin? Para sa akin, number one, I have to pray. I have to ask guidance and wisdom with the Lord. And I have to find out why I am stressed. What is the reason why na-stress ako? And pag na-find out ko na ang dahilan na na-stress ako, I have to find solution. During that stress mode, while finding the solutions, stress ka pa niyan, then you have to help your body para hindi siya ma-deteriorate. So, kailangan, para sa akin, I have to take more antioxidants na mga food supplement. Ang tinitake ko is this one, to Arctic Sea. Ino-overdose ko ang dosage ng Arctic Sea, the fish oil, omega-3, kasi anti-inflammatory yan. Yan ang pang-anti-stress ko and the other supplements, but this is the number one. So, yan ang makakatulong pag stress tayo. And number 3, anong gagawin mo pag stress ka? You have to do exercise. Exercise, napaka-laking tulong po pag nasa stress ka.